Let's learn union find, also called disjoint set union, the structure for dynamic connectivity. The situation: edges keep arriving, friendships forming, wires connecting, and between arrivals you're asked, are these two in the same group? Rerunning DFS after every change is brutal. Union find maintains the groups incrementally and answers each query in effectively constant time, with about 15 lines of code. It's the tool for merging accounts, counting components, and catching the edge that closes a cycle. Let's build those 15 lines. Definition first. Union find, also called disjoint set union, tracks which items belong to which group. Two operations. Find returns an item's group representative, its root, and union merges two groups. With path compression and union by rank, both run in effectively constant time, which makes dynamic connectivity questions almost free. The model. Every group is a tree, stored in nothing but a parent array, and each tree's root is the group's representative, its ID. Two operations. Find of X. Follow parent pointers up until a node is its own parent. That's the root. Union of A and B. Find both roots, and if they differ, attach one root to the other. Two groups become one. Connected is just find of equals find of B. That's the entire API. Find, union, connected, all riding on one array. Naively, these trees can degenerate into chains, so two tricks keep them flat, and you should name both. Path compression. During a find, after you locate the root, point every node you visited directly at it. The tree flattens as a side effect of reading it. One extra line in find. Union by rank or size. When merging, attach the shorter tree under the taller, so height only grows when equals meet. Together, they make each operation amortized inverse-Ackermann, a function so slow-growing that for any real input, it's below 5, so say effectively constant time. That phrase, plus naming both optimizations, is the theory checkpoint of this interview. The killer app, cycle detection in an undirected graph as edges stream in. Process each edge, and before merging, check. Are its endpoints already connected? If yes, this edge is redundant. Adding it would close a cycle, and that's literally the answer to redundant connection. If no, union them and move on. This exact check is the heart of Kruskal's minimum spanning tree. Sort edges by weight. Take each unless it would form cycle. And notice the contrast with DFS cycle detection. Union find shines when edges arrive over time. No retraversal, ever. Where it wins, counting components or provinces. Start within singleton groups, union along each edge, and either count the surviving roots or, neater, decrement a counter on every successful merge. Accounts merge. Union any two accounts sharing an email, groups become people. Number of islands 2. The dynamic version where land appears cell by cell. Is union finds home turf. DFS would reflood every time. And Kruskal's MST is the cycle check weaponized. The recognition tell. Connectivity questions where things merge over time. Static graph. DFS is find. Dynamic merging, union find. Groups are trees. The root is the representative. Union links roots. Connected equals same root. Now the mistakes to avoid, straight from the field. Beginner comparing parents instead of roots. Forgetting to initialize parent I equals I. Intermediate skipping both optimizations. Degenerates to O of n chains. Using it for shortest paths, it only knows connectivity. Advanced union find can't union. Edge deletions need offline tricks. String keys need an index map first. Interview questions on this, rapid fire. What does path compression do? Repoints walked nodes directly to the root to future finds O of 1. Complexity? Amortized and constant. Detect a cycle in an undirected graph. Union each edge. Find equals find B. First means cycle. Number of provinces and minus successful unions. and what most tutorials never tell you. DSU versus DFS. DFS answers connectivity for a frozen graph. DSU shines when edges arrive over time. Union by size works equally well, and the size array doubles as component size for free. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The patterns promise dynamic connectivity in near constant time per operation. The trait is honest. It answers same group, never by what route. Here's how it flows on screen. The interview reality. Connectivity questions where edges arrive over time. Add a road, merge accounts, connect servers. DFS would retraverse the whole graph after every change. Next, mastery equals 15 lines. Parent array, find with path compression. Union by rank/size, a component counter. Then provinces, redundant connection, accounts merge, all fall. Next, when TO, prefer DFS instead. The graph is static and given up front, where you need actual paths/distances. Union find only knows whether things connect, never how. Cluster membership at scale rhymes with HLDC 11. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The entire structure is that one array. Trees here are not search trees. Shape carries no order, only membership, which is why we are free to flatten them brutally. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Say the complexity honestly. Amortized O alpha, inverse-Ackermann, effectively constant, but not literally O of 1. That sentence, verbatim, is a senior marker. The Boolean return of union is deliberate. It is the cycle detector of step 4. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The counter idiom generalizes everywhere. Number of islands to LC 305, land appears cell by cell. The streaming case DFS cannot touch. Connected components, LC 323. Operations to connect network, LC 1319. Answer equals components -1, if enough spare cables. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Here's how it flows on screen. Edges arrive. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, a tree plus one extra edge. Find the edge that closes the cycle, LC 684. Next, 1, 2. Roots differ than union than 1, 2, 1, 3. Roots differ than union than 1, 2, 3. Next, 2, 3. Find 2 equals find 3 equals same root, then they were already connected, then this edge closes a cycle, then answer 2, 3. The failed union is the detection. Next, same idea powers. Graph valid tree. LC 261. Exactly n-1 edges. 0 failed unions. Kruskal's MST. Skips cycle closing edges. Accounts merge. LC 721 union accounts sharing an email. Then group emails by find root. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's really see the model. Everything lives in one array called parent. Parent of I is who I points at. If a node points at itself, it is a root, the group's ID. Read the array left to right. 0, 3, and 5 point at themselves, so they are roots. 1 and 2 point at 0, 4 points at 3. That gives 3 trees. The array on the left and the forest on the right are the same thing in 2 views. 2 items are in the same group exactly when climbing from each lands on the same route. Find is just a climb. Start at X, and while X does not point at itself, move up to its parent. When you stop, you are at the root. The cost is the height of the tree above X. On a nice flat tree, that is a hop or 2. But look at this chain, 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. Find a 4 must walk 4 steps down to reach the root 0. That is order n, a linked list wearing a tree costume. This bad shape is exactly what the next two tricks fix. Union is one right. Find both roots, and if they differ, make one root point at the other. That single line merges two whole groups. But the direction matters. Watch the naive version hang the older root under each newcomer. Union 0, 1, then 1, 2, then 2, 3, then 3, 4. Step by step, the parent array grows a taller and taller chain, until find of 0 is order n again. Same data, worst possible shape. The fix is to choose the direction wisely. Trick 1. Union by rank. Keep a rough height for each root. When you merge, always hang the shorter tree under the taller one, so the height does not grow. Here, a tree with root 0 has height 1. Node 5 is alone. Naive hangs 0 under 5, and the tree grows to height 2. By rank does the opposite. 5 goes under 0, and the tree stays flat at height 1. Height only ever rises when two equal ranks meet, and that needs the tree to double, so height stays logarithmic. Small under big. Trick 2, path compression, and this is the star of the show. During a find, you already walk every node up to the root. So on the way back, repoint each of those nodes directly at the root. The ugly chain on the left, 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, becomes a flat star on the right, where every node points straight at 0. The parent array goes from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 to all zeros. You pay for the deep walk once, and every later find is a single hop. With both tricks together, M operations cost M times inverse-Ackermann of n, and inverse-Ackermann is below 5 for any real input. Say effectively constant, never plain O of 1. Two more killer apps. Number of islands. Encode each grid cell R, C as one index, R times calls plus C, then union each land cell with its land neighbors. The number of surviving roots is the island count, and this shines when land appears cell by cell, where DFS would reflood the whole grid. Kruskal's minimum spanning tree. Sort edges cheapest first, and take each edge only if its endpoints have different roots. Watch the trace, edge 0, 1, union, 1, 2, union, 0, 2, same root, that would close a cycle. So skip it, 2, 3, union. 3 successful unions and -1 edges done, total weight 7. The failed union you already learned as cycle detection is the exact heart of Kruskal. Now the part candidates ask for most, what real companies actually probe on this topic, based on public interview reports, not official statements. Amazon, reported number of provinces and connect the network style questions. Graders reportedly check the component counter idiom and whether union reports success. Google reported accounts merge as a full-length problem. Union find plus grouping plus sorted output, and justify the Nero 1 claim follow-ups, saying inverse-Ackermann correctly matters. Meta reported redundant connection and graph validity. The cycle equals failed union one-liner is the expected insight. Uber Airbnb class reported dynamic connectivity flavor questions, merging user accounts, growing zones, where choosing UF over repeated DFS is itself the graded decision. Here is how the same answer is graded from weak to excellent, so you know exactly what an interviewer is listening for. Question number of connected components provinces. LC 547, 323. Why asked? The cleanest test of whether you own the UF template. Weak. DFS written slowly from scratch. Works, but the streaming follow-up kills it. Good. UF with counter, count, on successful union. Excellent. Path compression plus rank both present. OE, alpha V, stated, upper triangle scan justified. Impress. If cities were added one by one with queries in between, DFS reruns O, V plus E, each time. UF is why this scales. Red flag. Comparing parents instead of roots. Question, find a redundant connection. LC 684, weak. Remove each edge. DFS check the rest. OE, V plus E. Good. UF. Return the edge whose union fails. Excellent. Walks 3 edges on the board showing the failed union. Explains why same root means cycle. Both endpoints already reachable from each other. Notes the last such edge wording in the statement. Red flag. Not knowing what the failed union means. Question accounts merge. LC 721. Weak. Pairwise comparing accounts. Oh. In superscript 2, set intersections. Good. Union accounts sharing an email via an email, then first owner map. Excellent. 2 clean phases. Union, then group every email under find, owner, plus sorted output and the honest cost, alpha times the email count, plus the final sort. Naming this entity resolution is the senior move. Your cheat sheet. Groups equals trees, find to root, union to link roots. Always, path compression plus union by rank means O of 1. Same root edge equals cycle. Count components equals n minus unions. And the memory trick, same root, same club. Quick check. What does path compression actually do? During a find, as you walk up to the root, you point every node on that path directly at the root. The tree flattens, and future finds on those nodes become essentially constant time. Quick favor, if this is useful, subscribe and turn on the bell, new videos and daily updates, every 0 to deep. Now to recap. Let's lock it in. Groups are trees in a parent array, with the root as representative. Find walks to the root. Union attaches roots connected compares them. Path compression plus union by rank make it effectively constant time. Inverse-Ackermann if they push. An edge whose endpoints already share a root closes a cycle. That's redundant connection and the core of Kruskal's. Count components by starting it in and decrementing per merge. And the tell, connectivity with dynamic merging. 15 lines, near constant time, that's union find. And that's union find. If you want the full implementation, the accounts merge walkthrough in Kruskal's algorithm, it's all in the full write-up in the Codivora library. Like, subscribe, and keep building.